Are you doing Read Aloud in PT in the correct way? How to know whether it's the right or the wrong way to do it? Make sure you save this video and watch it till the end. And I will give examples of the perfect way to do all these questions which you see on the screen. Apart from that, you can also use our free PT portal, which is called mockmaster.ai. More than 600,000 users in the world use it, and you can also use it for free. Let's start. Just follow this and save the video. The first one. Lincoln's apparently radical change of mind about his war power to emancipate slaves was caused by the escalating scope of war, which convinced him that any measure to weaken the Confederacy and strengthen the Union war effort was justifiable as a military necessity. It's very important to pronounce words which end with S clearly, like Lincoln's. So the S should be heard, and at the same time we have to read smoothly. Number 2. The student's reading in his own subject slows down and his comprehension becomes less secure. He expresses himself slowly and often fails to convey his ideas exactly. He is disappointed to find that under pressure, he makes a lot of unnecessary mistakes in areas where he knows the correct language forms. We should not take unnecessary pauses, and we must take small pauses at connecting words when the tone or the phrase changes. Number 3. The numbers on US student debt, after all, are truly staggering. The average 2015 US university graduate who took out loans to help pay for tuition enters the workforce with $35,000 in student debt. In the US, total student debt exceeds $1.15 trillion, dwarfing, for instance, the nation's credit card debt. The word D-E-B-T is pronounced as debt, which means a loan. The B sound is silent. Number 4. In a genuine republic, the will of the government is dependent on the will of the society, and the will of the society is dependent on the reason of the society. In Federalist 51, for example, James Madison claimed that the extent and the structure of the government of the United States make it dependent on the will of the society. And now the last one, number 5. If you have a chronic disease such as heart disease, diabetes, asthma, or back or joint pain, exercise can have important health benefits. However, it is important to talk to your doctor before starting an exercise routine. He or she might have advice on what exercises are safe and any precautions you might need to take while exercising. So always speak the last words before a full stop or a comma very clearly. Don't rush, and once you finish, click next immediately. Make sure you like the video, share the video with your friends, and if you're looking for personalized one-on-one or group coaching for PT, IELTS or NAATI CCL, we are there to help you at A1 Australia Education Group. I'm Malcolm. Thank you.